Come on, let's go in. Let's go in.
No.
No. Oh no.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys.
Welcome back.
We are in a whole family trip.
We are in a whole family trip, is what she just said. If you don't understand Zayana robot talk, we're in the car right now, about to arrive.
Did you get the puzzles?
I did grab our puzzles.
It is 4th of July.
It's 4th of July weekend. We're about to arrive at our Airbnb. We're in the North Tahoe area this weekend, celebrating with my entire, well, not entire family, but with my extended family. And
Tahoe Day.
Tahoe Day. Tahoe Day. And day is super juiced. Tahoe Day. Tahoe Day. Leah is sleeping, in case you're wondering. Knocked out. But this one does. She don't like
Too
to nap.
excited.
She's too juiced.
Too excited.
Anytime we're going on a trip, on a vacation, she's just like too juiced.
No time for naps.
Yeah, no nap. So she's probably not gonna nap today. So be prepared for another Zayana meltdown, guys.
Only with my family.
Alright guys, someone's awake now and we are here. So this is the Airbnb that we are all staying at, and I think it's gonna hold about 10 of us this weekend. And just look at it. It looks so cute. And I have not been inside yet, so let's go check it out. You ready, Leah? Are you ready? Yeah, alright. Alright. Ooh, okay. Whoa, what's happening up there? Huh? The what? The pang pang? The what?
Oh, a bunk bed.
Oh, your bunk. Oh.
No, it's for the size family.
Oh, okay. Alright, where's everybody?
The house is humongous.
The house is a maze. My goodness. Alright, can you show us around maybe? Hi, Auntie Sheena. No makeup today?
Not yet.
The kitchen.
Alright.
The living room.
Ooh, spacious. This is really nice.
Table.
Look outside.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Whoa. Wow. There's a grill. Ooh, there's a
My
grill.
mom said we'll make hot dogs
For lunch.
for lunch. Yeah.
Okay. Too bad there's like no sights to see, but it's all good. And there's more stairs over here. What? This is
I
like,
didn't even go to the bonus room yet.
oh gosh. All right, let's see. Look. Are you excited?
Whoa!
This one's for Laura. This one's for Auntie and Uncle. I thought you were gonna see it.
And this is our room.
The babies are gonna sleep. Each room has a bed.
Your popper dog?
We've made it to the lake. Auntie Pooh's here. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Zayana has come back with the biggest. These are the biggest otter pops ever. What? Can y'all take a picture? Can you show everybody your otter pops?
It's like half.
It's like half. Oh my gosh. It's like half your body. Watch out, there might be cars. Come here.
Alright, so we are here by the water now. We have secured our spot for the fireworks show, which is in probably like at least 5 hours from now. But we left all of our folding chairs up there and we're just kind of exploring. We see all these boats here, and there's actually a lot of boats on the water because, you know, the fireworks are going to be, you know, lit off of the water. So let's see if we can actually rent a boat, because that would be cool, or see how much it costs if we can even afford it. But let's see.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that would have made for a great vlog, but the people, I went into the rental office and the people kind of laughed at me because they're all booked out. So yeah, same day reservation on 4th of July is not gonna happen. So maybe next year, advanced planning, we'll do something more exciting, hopefully. Look at these big dandelion thingies. Let me get one Let's see how Zayana reacts to it. Look at this. Look at that face. You want this? Alright, let's see.
Okay, watch out for people. Keep traffic on one side.
Well, you can't even do it with the breath, huh?
Harder. Blower. I mean, half blower.
I got you.
Oh, let her do it.
Oh, try, Leah, try blowing on it. Here, you want to try, Leah? Leah. Hey, you just cheated. Oh my gosh.
Let Leah help.
Dang, girl.
Save some for Leah.
Way to be a team player. Go ahead, Leah, go ahead.
Leah, blow.
Oh. Oh no. Ah.
So we literally had like 6 hours to kill, and I think we did a pretty good job killing time.
Pretty good job. We've been playing catchphrase, right?
Yeah, catchphrase. That's one of our favorite like kill time
all-time
games
favorite.
or like party games to do with hella people.
Yeah.
But if you guys have any games that y'all like to play, let us know. Comment below.
Ideas.
Give us other ideas of what games we could be playing, either that we buy or like an app on your phone or something, you know?
That's something we could do right now. An app. An app.
Oh yeah. Because we could just download that stuff. But I don't know if you can tell, but it's about to get dark. Why do I look so tan?
Because you are pretty dark.
Really?
Yeah. And well, I look pretty dark too.
Yeah, we look really tan. It's weird. But it's about to be dark finally.
Yeah.
Like we sat here for maybe like 2 hours. Not that bad. After we had dinner, we got ice cream. And then we like changed into pants and stuff. And then came out here, killed about
hot chocolate,
like 2.5 hours. Not bad. But we got a lot, we got a good amount of stuff planned for the next few days. So just stay tuned. We're about to watch fireworks. It's like the one thing we do every 4th of July that we consistently do. Whether
always
like,
get to our destination early, sit around, play games. What do you guys usually do?
Oh, another question.
Drop us a comment down below. We're interested. We're actually interested, and we'd love to hear from you guys. So leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you guys do. So we are here. Someone is not a fan of the loud fireworks, huh? No. Even with, we bought her some earplugs. Still. Okay. What color is your favorite? None of them? Happy 4th of July, guys. Alright guys, so it is now the next day and we are now at Kings Beach where everyone's getting in. I, on the other hand, am not because I just like tropical clear water. I don't know. And it's really cold too. But yeah, the fireworks last night was amazing. It's actually the longest fireworks show we've seen in the longest time. Anywhere in the Bay Area, they last anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. This one lasted up to at least 15 minutes. So that was amazing. And Ziana, we bought her some earplugs to put in her ears because she doesn't really like fireworks, regardless if we're at Disneyland or not. And so she just like tried to fall asleep in my arms. But check her out now. This is something more in her element. Okay, Leah, you want to get down? No? How about let's touch the water? Let's touch the water. Okay? Woo! My God!
Once you're in there, it's like, no, it's a different cold. It's not like the cold.
This is Zoran trying to talk me into going into this water.
It's like frozen.
Oh, because frozen isn't so warm.
So cold that you're numb and you don't feel it anymore.
That's not appealing at all.
So just don't get your junk. Dad did it. He got a stand-up paddleboard so that we could enjoy some sort of water activity He wanted to get a jet ski, but I don't have time or energy for that. So we're not gonna do that today. Maybe next time. Maybe when the girls are bigger too, so we can enjoy it. Or do you think you should enjoy it? I don't know. Found him.
Paddleboard, come this way.
There he is. Alright guys, kid free. What? Where are my kids at though? They're napping in the car with dad. So I told my family, I was like, now I could drink without my children. I could get drunk. And Andre said there's a goal for the next hour. What's that goal, Andre?
The goal is to get my sister drunk in 1 hour. That's the goal.
What? That sounds painful.
So let's find her some alcohol.
We're walking around downtown Truckee right now, just to like see.
It'd be better if you're on my right side.
I want coffee. That's what I want. But apparently I'm supposed to get drunk. So we didn't make it to some alcohol yet. But we're in, it looks like a toy shop, kind of like a novelty shop, looking for a puzzle. Did you find a puzzle? Zayana has this 12-piece puzzle that she keeps playing, and we've played it a million times. So I told her that once we find a shop with toys, I'll look for a puzzle, and that's the only toy she could get. More than 12 pieces though, but maybe like less than 50, I don't know. I don't know what she can handle. So I'm on the hunt for a puzzle. I'll let you guys know if I find one. So someone is really excited. Uh-oh, what is this? Remember what I said? I said if I go to a toy store, what are you gonna get?
Toy.
What kind of toy?
A puzzle toy.
A puzzle toy? So what is this?
Brushing.
It's a puzzle.
Puzzle.
Can you show everybody your puzzle? Ooh, what did mommy get? It says ages 3 and up. 41 pieces, magical mermaid floor puzzle. You wanna do this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna do it.
With me? Okay, we get not in the kitchen, baby.
Okay.
Okay, let's go find a spot to do it. Come on. Let's go.
Leave it to Dad to finish the puzzle. Oh, that's the last piece, Zaya. Where does it go? Look, and that's the puzzle. Good job, babe. There you go.
Bye-bye.
So we're gonna go ahead and call it a vlog, guys. So if you guys made it this far, we thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys next time. We're gonna be at VidCon. Bye.